We also need to know that cancer develops. It doesn't just happen. It doesn't come out of nowhere. It takes a long, long time. Most cancers are years or usually decades in the making. From the very first time that something happened to the time that they're detectable is usually in the decades. And in order for the process to complete from that initial event to a cancer, we need an initiator, we need a promoter, and we need progressor before it becomes really dangerous and life-threatening. And the initiator, that's that first initial mutation, because when a cancer develops, when cells become abnormal, there's a mutation in a cell. The DNA changes somehow. And things that cause that are called carcinogens, things that give rise to cancer. And the biggest category here are chemicals. We have over 100,000 chemicals in our environment, and there are dozens and dozens that have been classified as carcinogens. Pretty much in the class of pesticides are a lot of them, and also tobacco is the biggest single carcinogen that we know of. And it's not necessarily just the tobacco, but it is the smoke from the tobacco and the paper and all the chemicals that they put in these cigarettes as well. Another carcinogen is metals. So we have things like arsenic, cadmium, chromium, and nickel that are classified carcinogens. And also virus and bacteria, various different pathogens can create enough irritation to cause mutations. And we also have radiation, of course, and there's two kinds. There's UV radiation from the sun that affects the skin directly. And then there is ionizing radiation or radioactivity that can cause mutations deeper inside the body. So you may have heard people say that everyone has had cancer thousands of times in their lifetime, but the body takes care of it.